At Vapor Honing Technologies, we aim to produce the highest quality surface finishing and cleaning equipment, bar none. Our dry blast line is no exception. Fabricated using CNC machinery and expertly welded, we can guarantee a perfect no-leak fitment every time. Assembled and tested in Lincoln, North Carolina, all our machines are fitted with quality products and can be put to work as soon as they deliver. Our diverse range of sizes and configurations ensures finding a machine that tailors to your specific needs is easy to obtain. All of our cabinets are fitted with easy-to-use controls as well as safety devices on our industrial machines. Our siphon and direct pressure machines can be fitted with reclamation systems for tight process control, as well as dust collectors for visibility and cleanliness. To elevate your surface finishing power, visit Vapor Honing Technologies and partner with the best. Follow the link below to learn the benefits innovative dry blasters have to offer.